guys, I'm coming to you today with Escape. Why Escape? Because it's that time of winter when we all need to escape, whether we are traveling or we're just shopping and hoping for warmer days. So I'm going to start with what I'm wearing from Escape. It's all 100% cotton, but you guys know me by now. I always need to add a little art, even with my classic t-shirts. So I've put this together with the Hoodie pant because it's just more me. This pant that you should be familiar with, the Everywhere pant, we've had it almost every spring in whatever colors they offer us. And again, if you want a little classic with a little funky, and these new jacket and plover sweaters, light enough to wear with a t-shirt pant. That sweater just fell to the floor and also comes in a delicious light gray, dark gray ombre. This sweatshirt is so cute, fresh out of the box, so it's not even been steamed yet. I'm coming in close because I want to show you the detail. Mine is a little more plain. This pant, I do not believe we've had before. The Breezy Flood pant. It is a little thicker than the Everywhere pant. It is cropped, adorable back to that sweatshirt. Continuing with new jacket and plover, it just works so well back into this little collection. So light. These are silk and cotton. The first sweater I showed you was 100% cotton. If you are more classic than me and you want to keep it all classic, here's that pant in navy. One of my favorite fabrics is ottoman. Here is an ottoman French terry. Such a great cut. Goes with everything. T-shirt, jeans, t-shirt pant. Like, right? Keeping it light, little sneaker or flip-flop. Speaking of t-shirts, must get new colors every season. That's why we have them all here for you from Escape. Great cotton flub. And then pop of color. Great arm length t-shirt. And then two little graphic t-shirts. This t-shirt I am wearing also comes in this it's called Dune. It's kind of like a gray taupe. And here's that Everywhere pant again. You'll notice we pulled it together because it's so light and right with Meredith Strauss. So if you're not completely a classic girl, you take a classic piece back to one of your art to wear, you're ready to travel. Until next time.